Back in England.
Ah, haven't we ever? Well, so much dust and shit on my nose.
Lovely.
Right, redo this intro. Right, we're back.
I'm cooked. I got jet lag. I'm knackered. I've been in America for 2 months, America and Canada. So I've just got back half an hour ago. So I feel out of it. But we had a fun time.
Great time.
Yeah, I was with Mick, Andy, Jimmy and that for 3 weeks in Connecticut, as you saw the videos. I was in Colorado 3 weeks before that. I've just been in Canada for 3 weeks. Not filming, just having a good time. So we're back now. We've got loads of stuff to do. I've neglected my life and stuff back here for like 2 months, so we've got to fix that. First things first, compact. It is E36 day at Cafe in the Machine on Friday. Coupe don't work.
Poor thing.
Otherwise I'd take that. So we're gonna take this, my only other E36. At the last skid day, I binned it into a wall at 40 miles an hour. Battery came off and it's like split in half. All this fluid over here is like battery fluid. So it's just been dying a slow death. There's only one battery that fits that cage, so I need to go get that battery. Lights don't work because I crashed that. So we've got a new light there. Needs a bit of love. So we're gonna do that today. Andy's bought some new wheels.
Correct.
We've got some stuff to do on the Volvo, and then we're gonna go see Dan. So
Get on with it.
get on with it, do some stuff, make a cup of coffee.
That sounds brilliant.
Yeah, I feel cooked.
Get our asses in gear.
Yeah, let's do it. Straight up. Surprised that started, to be fair.
Yeah, so am I actually, but
Straight up.
yeah, no hesitation. One down.
This bloody trailer.
At least that doesn't have a battery. Dirty, dirty bitch.
Whack the handbrake on.
Oh yeah, bit of ammy. Oh, it was on.
It was on. Nice.
Wanted the extra workout.
Actually, we just need to go get a battery, don't we?
Yeah, we need to do that before anything.
Yeah. So we need battery for this, spark plugs for you. Right, HCBO13. Cool. Let's go Alfred's. Let's go get a new one. Oh, Tim Hortons.
Breakfast here is the cheat code as well.
What is it? It's like brekkie for like £3 or something.
Yeah,
isn't it?
£2.50, any brekkie item, plus hash brown, plus a coffee. £2.50.
They've just done Greg's then. Absolutely done it.
And it's fucking banging as well. Fudging banging. Trying to lower down on my swearing.
Trying to get Andy to swear less so we don't get crippled on YouTube.
I know, because we are full-time YouTubers now. That's all we do.
Full time, 1 day a week. What do you want?
Coffee.
Have a good day.
Cheers, Andrew.
Thank you.
Oh, they all knees. Oh.
I am struggling there, shaking so
Yeah,
much.
I got the knees.
Are you sure? Straight into the lamppost. Fuck's sake.
Grab it out.
Unreal.
What's happening with the Volvo? Breaking up a bit.
Yeah, it broke up the other day. I don't think it's anything serious at all. It would just be spark plugs, probably. I've never changed them, so.
Yeah,
And they've just got abuse. £11 spark plugs.
NGKs.
Baby girl.
Back to the unit then.
Back to shit weather again.
Yeah, I'll be there in a bit. Like 2 minutes.
See you in a minute.
Here he is. Big man.
Big man pig.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Haven't seen you for 2 months.
I know.
Missed you.
Missed you too.
The old spark plugs.
Yeah, standard shit.
Banging them straight in. What have you been up to
Oh, what? No.
in the past 2 months? In 20 seconds.
I don't even know. Nothing. There we go.
Cool, cheers.
Hopefully this fits.
Perfect. Spot dog.
Quick release. Quick release.
Present.
That's it.
This is peak automotive work right here. Oh, she fits.
Unreal. Such a good car.
Great car.
These are BBS miles,
Yeah.
and they are 6.5J ET22.
Yeah.
They're BBS miles also, but in a rare spec of 7J ET10.
Better spec.
Better spec,
Wider.
wider, better offset. They're probably double the lip. And I need spares, and they're 14s.
These are now going to be drift spares.
Yeah.
You're going to run these.
Yeah, and they're just much better.
They were absolutely mank, and he's just painted them mank, but
Okay.
don't matter, does it?
They were £80.
So we're going to go down to Dan. Jesus!
I see you decided to bring your ass back to Blighty then.
Hi.
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 Hey, listen to this. How was America?
Sick.
What did you bring me? Are you
That horn is ridiculous. Where did we get out with these wheels then? Oh yeah. So we're going to head down to Dan's, swap the tyres over because these are cooked, and then it's going to look better. And then as soon as he's done 20 miles with English weather, you won't even notice how bad they're painted. And he's got spark plugs to do. I've got... what have I got? Oh yeah. I crashed and smashed my rear light, and the module's gone as well, so I've got no brake lights, no lights in the dark. So I'm a pullover magnet right now, so let's get this out. So I got a rear light there, not there. I swapped the bulbs around and it didn't work on that one. So either way.
You got a whole new cluster?
Either way, I got a cluster, light, let's whack that in. Right, so that's smoked. There she is.
Oh, beautiful.
No bueno.
One less thing to get pulled over for, isn't it?
Yeah, break one law at a time.
So.
Works.
Oi.
Right, get his lights. Nice. Indicator. Lovely. Alright, one last job. This mesh fell out. And it's not in there. Looks terrible. There's supposed to be like things going through for washers. Don't have them. So we're going to rig something up, right?
I'm sure it can be rigged up, Shaggy.
Oh my god. Big legend. Cheers, man.
That's right.
It's good to be home. Can we just drill the bumper there, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie.
Of all the people Jack's just sent up to us, the kid who done an engine swap, didn't change his spark plugs, didn't change the oil.
Yeah, but you don't see that stuff. You see that.
That's even worse.
I've got nothing to say on that.
You doubting our methods?
Unreal stuff. Baby girl. That ain't going nowhere.
Done. What are we doing now then?
Going to Dan, doing tyres. And cutting some lips out of mine because they're going to rub on the new wheels. Now cut the lips out of my rear and front arches
Yeah.
while we bang some tyres on, put them on,
Right.
then we're
sweet.
done. Me and you get on tyres, Jack can get on the lip cutting.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Let's go see Dan. I haven't seen Dan for 2 months. I miss the man. And I'm stoked to drive this.
Yeah.
Very stoked. For the last like 2 months I've been driving the slowest cars. I had 2 rental cars and RJ's Accord, which was like dumb slow. So this thing in comparison feels so quick. Even the Passat felt quick to be fair. But yeah, very fun being back in a Larry car.
Yeah, I just go drive and get in the shit.
Here he is.
Yeah, I'd probably just use the rotary for that.
Hey! Good to see ya.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, just sheet. Bit of alley. Bit of alley straight across there, ditch all that.
What we talking more?
Just wait.
More weight reduction.
Get rid of all the weight.
Rear end.
Everything. I'd do no tyres eventually. We just
Drive around in your boxers.
Do you reckon that'll hit?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
No, we're just do thingy. I'm just gonna bar it.
Right, get this other one on. I want to see this dropped.
And then we got to do the front. That's it.
Has the internet seen this car?
No, I don't
Not
think
properly.
So. No, I don't think I have.
Dan's been doing some work.
Yeah, another 36. But I've had this one forever.
Yeah, this is your original car, isn't it?
My original, that's my first ever car when I was 16.
The actual first car.
First ever car. It's had 5 or 6 engines. It's had about 4 2.5s. Now it's M3. Ignore a lot of stuff, it's going back to OE, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just everything OE.
We got Dan a bit motivated, didn't we?
Well, everyone's got 36s, and mine's just been stored for, wow, what's the tax this? 2011.
Is that the last time you drove it?
2011.
Wow. What's the plan with it?
Just OE everything. I want everything genuine, everything mint. I've done this, and I've just slightly pulled them out, which is where it looks stock.
And then,
That makes
and then you're
sense.
painting the whole car.
Yeah.
New boot lid.
Yeah, new boot lid going on.
That one's toast. You got a new door,
Yeah.
new wings.
Yeah, new wings, door, and then just, like every other 36, it's just going to be stock M,
But clean.
but clean. And that's all I want from it.
What else you been doing? Let's see this RX-7.
What to do with the RX-7? And this is a late thing as well, isn't it?
Yep. This is very controversial. Big old LS. So yeah, we might do a little video on this.
Yeah, I think we will.
Because this is actually road legal, MOT'd.
Yeah, it's MOT.
Full year, isn't it?
Yeah, literally just been done. I've taken it out a few times and it's borderline a bit too much on the road. I don't know what to do with this one.
You want to sell it, don't you?
Want to sell it, want to keep it, don't use it. Could do with one less car,
Yeah.
ideally.
If anyone wants to buy an RX-7 with an LS in it, fresh paint, mint underneath, isn't it?
Immaculate.
What's the chassis on?
Isn't it like 50-ish or something? I have to double check. But
Yeah.
it's
Low miles.
mint underneath. Absolutely immaculate.
So if you want this, 25 grand, come get it.
Oh, come and get it. Don't do it at me.
Blow it. Blow it. That actually worked way better than I thought it would.
Tell you what, they look good with fresh tyres on.
Perfect, don't they?
Yeah.
Is that fully down? I think we got an issue here.
You got a shit socket?
All of them. They're snap on.
Well, that'll trigger some people.
That triggers.
Drop it, drop up the socket.
Yeah? That's it. You have a 21.
That's a good technique, Jack.
Actually, right, ready?
Oh, mate, that's low.
Yeah, feel that now. That's close. Better.
Get in
Hang on.
there.
Need a 21. Get a bigger socket if you could, Dan.
That actually works.
Get a 30mm CV boot socket.
Goes to Rocket Buddy. Dan's just provided it. What's it called when you like provide when you provide a murder weapon?
Accomplice.
Yeah. Dan's just an accomplice to this. We're the murderers.
Guilty by association.
That works now.
23 will do it.
How do I reverse this thing?
I mean, it's quite simple.
It revs, man.
Yeah, this is a fresh start, isn't it?
This is straight into anal mind.
Yeah, it's a no spin. We've been back one day. You're thinking,
This is
back. This is the
quality.
first day back, those boys are back, and this is what's happening.
Yeah, welcome back, boy.
Angle it upwards.
I'm off. I want to have one more go.
Oh, keep out, that's ridiculous.
What?
Oh my god, feel that.
Good.
That's actually mint.
Yeah, pack the boats through this side.
Yeah.
They smell quite good actually.
They're good.
Do the fronts, and we'll be done.
Yeah, that's wrong.
I know, unreal. Do you know about them ones though?
Look at that shit in there.
Man. Look at the tyre on it, look at the lip on it. I think this one might, yeah look, it's got a mini tube on it.
Look at that. Oh my god. That is disgusting.
Crazy, isn't it?
That stinks.
Crazy, yeah.
Bad.
They look fucking better, don't they? With the lips. I think it's just the lips, isn't it?
Yeah.
£80 to buy them.
Yeah.
50 quid fuel to jack. So that's 130.
650 tyre paint.
And £13 for £13 for paint.
I'm gonna get out of here.
So,
I'm going.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm starving. Looks good.
Shit, man.
Done it.
It's good, though. Very good.
Done it. Good to see you.
Yeah, man, good to have you back.
I know, it's good to be back. See you later, man. Ta-da. Look at this car. Unreal. I will see you next week. Next video is the new car. So hopefully you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below what you think it is. Most of you have already guessed. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit sort of like all over the shop. We didn't really do that much, but I needed an easy day to break myself back in, especially as I'm feeling smoked. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next week. Love you all. Goodbye.